Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther. If you don't know now, you know. So guys, I got a package from Amazon, a nails kit, which I'm going to be unboxing today. Yay! So guys, just come with me as we unbox this package. So guys, as you can see, we are boxing it. This is the carton that the package was in, all the equipment, and is this nails kit, like a gel nails kit that's so super nice, as you can see right there. So I don't know what is inside, and this is my first time of buying a nails kit or whatever. So we are going to see it for the first time. Yep, we are going to see it for the first time. And they said just bring your saloon home. Wow, that's cute, that's nice. I don't know. So, and they wrote a lot of stuff in the back. It's nice though. At least I will not be using 100 euros to make my nails. So guys, let's just open this shit. Yo guys, can you see that? Wow, this package looks so cute. Everything inside one box. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Guys, it's so cute. And this is the first package that is on top, that has all the equipment in it, like the file. And I don't really know, I'm not really that nails type. I fix nails, but I don't know the equipment. So, but they just have everything inside. And I'm going to be, sorry for that, I was just packing my hair up. I'm going to be doing the nails on my hand, due to the instruction that was living below. That's what I'm going to be doing. And I don't know what this called, I swear, like I don't know. I'm just going to be using the instruction to do all those things. Okay, so guys, just look at it one by one, because I'm going to show you how everything that I have inside that box. Yep. Yeah, guys, so this is the instruction book or something, I don't know. This is the instruction book, you can say, on how to do the nails step by step. So this is what I'm going to be following one by one: how to make the nails and how to take it off if you want to. That's in the 2 page, one for how to make it and how to take it off. It's cute though. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to show you guys the outcome after I finish making the nails. I'm going to be showing you how. And in there they have the gel and the liquid something which I don't know, and the nails polish. Yeah, that's what we have in there. So yeah, we have 6 gels and the gel has different colors. They have different colors despite they also have a nail polish. It's so cute, guys. Yeah, it's cute. So guys, this will be the end of this video. Yeah, this will be the end of this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share and subscribe. After I make my nails, I'm going to be showing you all. Tell me what you think about these kits in the comments below. I love you all. See you guys in my next video. You guys are amazing, sweet, lovely. I love you all. Bye.